Hey guys, what's happening? How to get student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud. So, want Adobe's powerful tools at a huge discount? Here's how students can save a big on Creative or Adobe Creative Cloud. First of all, check eligibility. You must be a student or a teacher at an accredited institution. Secondly, visit Adobe's student discount page. Go to the Adobe's official website and find the student pricing section. You can see it on See All Plans right here, and select students and teachers. Right. Next, verify your status. Provide a school email or upload proof like ID, transcript, or tuition receipt. Right. Lastly, enjoy the discount. Get over 60% off on Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop, Premiere, Pro, and Illustrator. This deal is only valid for limited time, so grab it while you're eligible. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.